Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am just going to show you how to create a Heiken Ashi based Forex robot. Very simple to do. If you know how to trade with Heiken Ashi, maybe this video will be of benefit to you, because now you can turn your Heiken Ashi strategy into a Forex robot. Of course, I'm going to give you the basics. That's the point of this channel, to spark that curiosity in you and give you the direction that you probably need to be taking in order to turn your own Forex strategies into your own Forex robots. Whatever you do with them, that's up to you. So if you don't know the Heiken Ashi, basically Heiken Ashi candles, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it well. But basically these are the Heiken Ashi candles. You can see they look different, a bit different to the normal candlesticks that you find on your chart. So this will be your normal candlestick chart, and this will be a chart that's using the Heiken Ashi candles. So they are very good at spotting trends. They are very good at spotting trends. When the Heiken Ashi candles change color, like here, you probably are in a good selling trend, and this is probably a good buying trend. Unlike the normal candlestick chart, where you sometimes get confused by the different candle colors that keep on appearing. So you can see here it's just a smooth buying trend. So yeah, Heiken Ashi, a good indicator. I've used it previously and I loved it, and maybe you can use it as well. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below. If you want to download this robot, I'm going to put the code for this robot that we're going to make in the description box below, as well as the broker that I use. Many people always ask me about the broker that I use. One of the best brokers in the world, and one of their best offers is just with $5 you can open a real life trading account, which is good for us because we're making these robots and we want to test these robots, especially in real market conditions, real life market conditions. So just $5, you plug on that robot on, and if it makes money, then you give it more money. If it doesn't, then it's just $5. So go ahead and sign up in the using the link in the description box below. Let's get back to our video. So that's the idea behind the Heiken Ashi. You can add more filters to it. Really, you can even add moving averages and stuff like that, but today I'm just going to keep things simple, just to keep things very simple. So yeah, let's go to FXDREEMA and let's do this. So you're going to go onto FXDREEMA, and if you're new to the platform, there might be an example robot and some stuff. Just delete everything, just highlight and delete, and we start together on a clean slate. Then what you're going to have is you're going to go to the on tick section here, because we want this robot to execute as the ticks are coming into our chart. So that's where we want to be. I'm not going to go into constants and variables and stuff like that. You don't really need that, but you need it, but you don't need it. But in any case, I'm showing you the basics. So the first thing that I usually do, you already know, is I want the robot to make sure that it doesn't have any other trades that are open, because I don't want my robot to open 1,000 trades at a time. By the way, if I'm moving too fast, I apologize. You guys, you don't like to watch videos that are more than 10 minutes long, so I'm just trying to keep these videos shorter than 10 minutes. So that's why I'm speaking too fast. If you miss anything, feel free to rewind and watch it over again. I'm sure it will make sense. So then after that, I go to time filters. I'm going to choose this block that says once per bar. So once per bar, I want the robot. First, the robot must make sure that it doesn't have any positions that it has opened yet. Then secondly, I want it to go once per bar to look for the conditions that we're going to set here. So for the conditions, let's go, here I want this section, because we usually go with this block here. If you go in it, it gives you one indicator over another, but we don't need that today. So we are going to need this block instead. Let's go for indicator is visible. We just put it there and we link it like that. We double click and go in there. What is happening with my machine? Taking slow, taking its time. Okay, so finally indicator, we come here and we select Heiken Ashi. So this, we're going to set a buy condition. So for a buy condition, we want the Heiken Ashi candle to be bullish. We want a bullish Heiken Ashi candle for a buying, for buying, and we want bearish candles for selling. So let's do that. So chosen candle for buys is going to be bull. We're going to select bull there. And previous candle type, the previous candle type needs to be bearish. So previous candle type, it needs to be opposite, which is bearish. So it needs to be opposite. Then what to get, we are going to take the trade when after a close, because I don't want to take the trade at the open of this bullish candle. What if it then turns back to become bearish? You know, when candles are still jumping up and down, So what I need actually is the close. After that, so we just go close. You can actually filter better and choose the candle that you want here. So we are going to choose candle 1. So when candle 1 is closed, we want to, when candle 1 closes bullish, we want to buy. That's what we are saying. When this candle closes bullish, this is candle 1. Candle 0 is the candle that is current, that is still jumping up and down. That is candle 0. Candle 1 is the candle that closed previously. Then this will be candle 2, candle 3, candle 4, candle 5, candle 6. It goes on like that. So we're going to choose candle 1 for that, and you can choose your time frames, whatever you want to choose, and then you just update there. And then we come here and we choose our buy now. Then we choose buy now, and you can set your buy now conditions and your lot sizing. You can set your stop loss, you can set your take profit, whatever you want to change here really. And don't forget to tick these boxes so that you don't always have to come to FXDREEMA to change them. Sorry, I got interrupted there. You can always change them on your MetaTrader 4 side. So we then go ahead and we say update. Then we are going to copy this because we are lazy. I'm lazy, and I'm just going to put it like that. We're going to set conditions for our sales. So we are then going to go back in there, and we're going to choose this time a bear candle, and everything basically almost remains the same because we are choosing a bearish candle. We are going to choose a sell after the close of a bearish candle. Here we want to catch this selling idea. Then we update, then we come again and we choose sell now, and we double click, and you can change basically your stop loss and take profit or your lot sizing. We just tick there so that everything is good on MetaTrader 4 side. So that's basically all you need to create a quick Heiken Ashi based trading robot. You can even come and also add other things like closing of trades, opposite trades and stuff like that. I'm not going to go much into that. I'm probably over 10 minutes now, but otherwise guys, this is the basics of what you need to create your Heiken Ashi candle based Forex robot. So what's left is to come here and you call it whatever you want. Heiken Ashi EA, and done. And once you're done, you click here to download your source code, or here to download your executable file. If you want people to not see the code, if you want to sell your robot to your friends. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next one. The link to download this will be in the description box below. Bye.